So here I'll assign G to be the score that Gautam has. Ramesh we already know, scores 82.5. And I'll start with this sentence here. The average score of the 21 students other than Gautam. So I'll label them X1, X2 to X20, the other 20 other students other than Ramesh and Gautam. So if I add Ramesh's score, because this is excluding Gautam, so that's the 21 students, divided by 21 is equal to 62. R I already know, so that means I can figure out the sum of the scores of the other 20 students. I sometimes intentionally write it like this so I can visualize it. It's a matter of personal preference. You can use that abbreviation. So minus 82.5. So I can compute this 21 times 62 minus 82.5. So that's 1219.5. Now I have to translate this, which is kind of a headache. The average score of all the 21 students, so that would be X1 plus X2, the 20 students plus Ramesh plus Gautam, divided by 22, because this is the average for 22 students, is 1 more than the average of the 21 students other than Ramesh. So now we're excluding Ramesh and including Gautam, divided by 21. This piece we know is 1219.5. And again, this one we just have to add plus 82.5. So in fact, it would be that one, 21 times 62. So our equation becomes 1302. You do want to be careful in this question, because if you make a mistake here, your answer will not match. So 1219.5 plus G over 21. So it's a matter of solving this equation. I'll multiply both sides by 22 times 21 so that we don't have any denominators. So that would become 21 times 1302 plus G, then 22 times 21 plus 22 times 1219.5 plus G. So yeah, I mean, it's computation 27342, and you want to be careful because you don't want to miss the answer. 22 times 21, 462. So a little bit tedious in that sense, but the hardest part is setting up the equation. 26829 plus 22G. You'll notice these drop out. You're left with single G. These two add up to 27,291, and then I just have to subtract that. 9 will take us to 342, so that would be 51, and that's the answer, which is choice A. So just a comment on this question. I mean, it is a hard question. You just need a method to kind of deal with this and to translate so you can visualize the other 20 students. Some might do it like this, sum of 20 students. Sometimes that can get confusing, and so I always go back to this. So that's just a matter of personal preference. Figure out a method that you can consistently apply to these types of questions. They can be tricky, but here the answer is A.